I am John Thornton, and I am a mediator, an arbitrator, a special magistrate, and a private trial judge under the Florida statutes. Went into private practice for 27 years. I then went to the bench, was on the bench for 12 years. The first 4 were in criminal, the last 8 were in civil, and 5 of those were in the complex business litigation division. And then I came to JAMS in 2020. I think mediation is so effective because it has to be. It's interesting, when I graduated law school, 11% of cases went to trial. Now it's less than 1%. When people get into litigation, they are so stressed. It's so helpful to have them relieved and get that off their shoulder. And that's what we do as far as mediation is concerned. And I want the clients coming in with an open mind. And there is a time during the mediation which I ask them to tell me about the situation. I want to be able to hear what they have to say. And once I've figured out what it really is that they're looking to do, we can get to that point and getting past the possibility of an impasse. What is most important to me in arbitration is being prepared. And one of the ways that I do that is, even though I know we're going to write a reasoned award, I have the lawyers submit to me an agreed upon verdict form. And in the verdict form, they've got both the complaint side, the answer, and the defense, affirmative defenses side. Everything is even-keeled, and that's how I want to be perceived, as making sure that I am not favoring one side or the other. I find most interest in the commercial litigation area. I find the class actions fascinating. I do a lot of data breach class actions. The employment practice area I enjoy, and then the professional negligence and personal injury areas, I enjoy those areas also. What I find most rewarding is resolving a matter that people didn't think was resolvable. And that's where the mediator has to be perseverant, and the clients and their lawyers have to be patient. Because only if those two things come together are we going to get through this mediation with the possibility of a resolution.